Guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is I'm going to have the step counter test of our Y68 Smartwatch. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and we are going to have the step counter accuracy test of our Y68 Smartwatch. So I will be walking down there for around 1 minute, or we will try to have 50 steps, and let's see if our FitPro application can record it. And before that, all you have to do guys is just go to your FitPro application, click motion, and before you do that you need to log in into your account and make sure that the location is turned on as well as your GPS will be turned on. And okay, so let's go and let's have a walk. Alright guys, so now we have our FitPro's application turned on, and as you can see we recorded 0.03 kilometers, and now we're going to walk for about 50 steps.
Okay, let's go guys. 1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, so we had like 50 steps, and from our previous record, so it was around 0.03 or 0.04, and now we recorded 0.06. And as you can see on the map here, we have our track there. So before I recorded that 50 steps that we had, I previously had another 50 steps just for me to try it first. So now guys, this is the result of our Y68 accuracy test, and as you can see we burnt like 3 calories. Alright guys, so here is my hometown, and this is where I actually walked. So yes, so here in this area, so as you can see the waves are so nice, and in there here is the mermaid. Alright guys, so I will see you in my next video, and please comment down below if what are the videos that you might want me to do. Okay, and I'll see you guys. Bye bye.